How to clear your Pinterest search history. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear recent searches on Pinterest in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the Pinterest app and tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the search bar at the top. This will display your recent Pinterest searches. To remove a search, simply tap the X icon next to it. Pinterest currently doesn't provide a single button to clear all search history at once, so you'll need to remove each search individually. Keep tapping the X icons until all recent searches have been deleted. Once you're finished, tap outside the search bar or restart the app if needed. Then return to the Search tab and tap the search bar again. If no recent searches appear, your Pinterest search history has been successfully cleared. That's how to delete Pinterest search history and remove recent searches for better privacy and a cleaner search experience. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tutorials.